I did not know what I was, expecting, and this was beyond expectations. I'd never attended any dance performances, as well, except the ones in school or whatever. And I was blown away with the performance. And I think as kids, especially as girls, we just taught to, as they showed in the play as well, to hide our periods. And it's something that's got to be hidden. It's something that's embarrassing, right? And they just portrayed it and they just expressed it so beautifully.
Sakhi was just fantastic. I just think the entire this whole menstruation topic, the way it was presented, it was something even like for me, the way the entire story was narrated, it was just very beautifully done.
I actually really liked it. I never was like that close to the process of a female menstruation when it calls like that, and I never really understood how what they go through actually. So I know it takes like a week or something. It continues each month again, but I never really understood it. So it was really impressive to see what the females, let's say.
It was just mind-bogglingly brilliant. A very difficult topic, and then to see how both the girls have worked on it together and connected with the emotions so well. I think this was beautiful.
I liked the performance very much. So, as mentioned earlier, I did Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. And often when I see classical dance, though I know some of the mudras or a lot of the mudras, I couldn't understand the story. But now I could personally relate to it. So I could understand the whole story almost. And I really liked the performance.